Good morning, students. Welcome to Max class. Today we are going to continue exercise 4.1 trigonometry ratios. So, using the trigonometry ratio, we are going to find out the values. Have you all mug up the trigonometry ratio table? Yes. Now, take your exercise 4.1, eighth question. Prove that cos 5 110 degree cos 330 degree plus sine 390 degree cos 120 degree equal to minus 1. So if you add all this ratio, we have to get the answer as minus 1. This is your question. Now get into the solution. Now can you find out the value of cos 510 degree? No, we don't have direct value for this 510 degree. So we are splitting this 510 degree as cos 360 plus 150. Correct? 360 plus 150 is 510. 360 is your one full rotation. Correct? So cos 360 plus theta. Refer your table and say cos 360 plus theta is cos theta. So we are taking that as cos 150. Again, cos 150, we don't have direct value. So this 150 can be taken as cos 180 minus 30. Correct? So again refer your table. What is cos 180 minus theta? It is minus cos theta. So minus cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree, you know the value, root 3 by 2. So this cos 510 degree answer is minus root 3 by 2. So cos 510 we completed. Next what we have to do? Cos 330 degree. Again 330 can be taken as 360 minus theta. Cos 360 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. What is the next one? Sine 390 degree. Again as sine 390, how can we write? 360 plus 30. So sine 360 plus 30 is sine theta. So sine 30 value 1 by 2. Similarly, if you do for cos 120, you will get answer as minus 1 by 2. Right? Now, you have to take your left hand side. So left hand side is this one, cos 510, cos 330 plus sine 390 cos 120. We have to substitute all these values. So minus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. So root 3 is 3. 2 2s are 4. Minus 3 by 4. 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4. Minus 1 by 4. Since the denominator are same, you can add the numerator. So minus 4 by 4, that is equal to minus 1. That is your right hand side. So hence it is proved. Now ninth question. Prove that, again this is also proving problem only. Prove that tan pi by x cot x minus pi minus cos 2 pi minus x cos 2 pi x 2 pi plus x equal to what is the answer? Sine square x. Now what is mean by pi? 180 degree. So 2 pi means 180 into 180 360. Correct? So pi na 180, 2 pi na 360. Okay, now do you know what is the value of tan 180 plus theta? Yes. So we have to substitute here. Now this one, cot x minus 180. If it is 180 minus x, now we know the value. Correct? So we have to take one minus outside, then you have to find out the answer. This is also direct formula, you have to substitute. Let's see the solution. So first one, tan 180 plus theta is tan theta. So tan x. Instead of theta, here it is x. So we are taking that as tan x. Next, cot 180 plus or minus theta, now we can find out. So we can take one minus outside. If I take minus, you will get pi minus x. Now, cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. So taking this minus outside, you will get minus cot of pi by x. What is cot 180 minus x? it is cot x. Next, 2 pi means 360. What is cos 360 minus x? Cos x. 360 plus x? Cos x. Now, left hand side, what is the first one? Tan pi by 6 value, tan x. Cot x minus pi value, cot x. Minus cos 2 pi minus x value, cos x. Cos 2 pi plus value is cos x. Correct? Now, tan can be taken in terms of sin by cos is sin by cos. Cot can be taken cos by x. Minus cos into cos is cos square. Correct? Sin will get cancelled. See, the sin will get cancelled. Cos will get cancelled. So 1 will be remaining. 1 minus cos square. And this is a formula. 1 minus cos square is sin square x using your identity. Okay, that is your right hand side. Hence, it is proved. Is that clear? Now, second subdivision. Question. Sin 180 plus a, cos 90 minus a, tan 270 minus a, secant 540 minus a, cos 360 plus a, cosecant 270 plus a, which is equal to minus sin a into cos square a. This is also refer your trigonometry ratio table. Directly you can give the answer. So what is sin 180 plus theta? Sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta. Tan 270 minus theta? Cot theta. Secant 540. 540 ki we don't have table value. So 540 can be taken as cos 360 plus 180 minus the a. Correct? Now, secant of 360 plus theta, what is the answer? Secant theta. So, here we are taking secant 180 minus a. Again, refer the table. Secant 180 minus a is minus secant a. Similarly, this too, you have to apply the table ratio. Take your left hand side. What is numerator? Sin 180 plus a is minus sin a. Cos 90 minus a, this one. Tan 270 minus a, this one. Similarly, denominator we have to substitute, right? Now, this minus will get cancelled. So, sin a, cot can be taken as cos a by sin a. Similarly, secant a, cos a. Secant can be taken as 1 by cos a. Correct? Right? Now, this sin will get cancelled. This cos will get cancelled. We can take this minus outside. So, what will be remaining? Sin a, cos a, 1 by secant is cos. So, sin a, cos a, cos a. That is minus sin a into cos square a. That is what your right hand side. Hence, it is proved. Now, 10th problem. Question, it is given that if sin theta equal to 3 by 5, tan phi equal to 1 by 2. What is given? Sin theta value 3 by 5, tan phi 1 by 2. These two values are given. Using these two values, okay, and we want to find out the value of 8 tan theta minus root 5 secant theta. And condition, it is given that theta lies between pi by 2 and pi. Phi lies between pi and 3 pi by 2. This is what condition is given. Okay, let's see the solution. What is given here? Sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Correct? And theta lies between pi by 2 comma pi. Correct? So, pi by 2 less than theta less than pi. So, theta lies between pi and pi by 2. Pi by 2 na 90. Pi na 180. So, 90 to 180 na, that is in your second quadrant. Correct? Therefore, theta lies in second quadrant. Correct? Okay. And second quadrant. Okay, this is enough. Now, take your hypothesis theorem. Sin theta equal to 3 by 5. Correct? So, sin theta means what is that? Opposite by hypotenuse. Correct? Now, what is sine theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. So, this is your hypotenuse, this is your opposite side. So, we can take 3 here, 5 here. Correct? Okay. Now, I can do this as a rough column. A square plus b square equal to 5 square. Correct? So, c square plus a square equal to 5 square. Right? Now, a square is equal to 25 minus 9, that is 16. So, a equal to 4. So, what is your third side? 4. Is that right? Okay. Using this one, we can write cos theta equal to cos theta is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So, adjacent value 4, hypotenuse 5. 4 by 5. Correct? Now, since theta lies in second quadrant all silver. Only sine and that reciprocal is positive. Correct? So, cos value is negative. Correct? Since it lies in second quadrant. Correct? Because second quadrant only sign is positive and it's reciprocal positive. Similarly, what is tan value? Tan theta is equal to tan theta is what? That is opposite by hypotenuse. So again, since light lies in the second quadrant, answer is minus 3 by 4. Is that clear? Cos theta is minus 4 by 5. Tan theta equal to minus 3 by 4. Next what is given? Tan phi equal to 1 by 2. That we can take. Tan phi equal to 1 by 2. And what is that interval? Pi less than 5 less than 3 pi by 2. Correct? So pi now 180. 3 pi by 2 not 270. So pi 180 to 270 that lies in your 1, 2, 3 third quadrant. Correct? Therefore, phi lies in third quadrant. Correct? Now, again, use your Pythagoras theorem. What is given? Tan theta equal to 1 by 2. Correct? 1 by 2. So, 1 by 2 now. Opposite by adjacent. Correct? Opposite by adjacent. Now, so how to find out your third side? 1 square plus 2 square equal to a square. So 1 plus 4 equal to a square. A equal to root 5. Correct? 4 plus 1 5. A square root 5 na a value root 5. So what is your third side value? Root 5. Right? Now we can take secant 5 because in your question we want to find out secant 5 only. No, so secant 5 equal to what is your secant 5 formula? Hypotenuse by adjacent. So what is your hypotenuse value? Root 5. So root 5 by adjacent value is 2. So root 5 by 2. Is that right? Now we can find out what we want to find out. What is the question given? 8 tan theta minus root 5 secant pi equal to implies 8 into what is tan theta value? Minus 3 by 4 minus root 5. What is your secant theta value? Root 5 by 2. Correct? Now this if you simplify, 1 4s 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 2s are 6, minus 6, root 5, 5. So minus 5 by 2. Oh, this is secant 5. Secant is negative in third quadrant. So here it will get minus. So minus into minus plus. Okay, and taking LCM you will get 6 2s are 12 plus 5 by 2 which is equal to minus 7 by 2. This is your final answer. That is value of 8 tan theta minus root 5 secant phi equal to what is the answer? Minus 7 by 2. So with this we complete our first exercise, and all your example problems is your homework. Okay, so trigonometry you have to work out and see. Simply by seeing it will be easy but difficult to remember all the formulas. Okay, so repeatedly doing the problems makes you perfect. Okay, next topic is trigonometry ratios of compound angles. So a compound angle means we can add or subtract angle. That is your compound angle. Okay, so that is a algebraic sum of two or more angles are called compound angle. Suppose if we take AB3 or ABC are three angles, then A plus B, A minus B, A plus C, A minus C, A plus B plus C are all compounded angles. So what does mean by compound angle? Combining two or sum of two or more angles. Okay, now we have some more formula for this, and this is very important that you can take it in your classwork note. So in that first one, sin A plus B. So what is your sin A plus B formula is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Next one, second one, sin A minus B. Same formula with minus sign. So sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Next, third one, cos A plus B. Cos means same value will come. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Fourth formula, cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. And fifth one, tan A plus B formula. So tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. And the last one, tan A minus B. So tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay, these are the basics formula, and using this one we can find the trigonometry ratio of multiple angles also. So sin A plus B is your compound angle, and what is multiple angle is sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A, sin 3A. These are called multiple angles. That formula you have page number 134. You have some 6 multiple angle formulas. That also including note you have to copy down in your classwork note. So with this we can stop this session, and next class we can see the problems involving this multiple angle and compound angle. And today's your homework is exercise 4.1 7th problem and all example problems. Thank you, students.